Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's have a look at the price chart of Polkadot or DOT. That is currently trading at the level of $5.78. To some extent we are very familiar with the price chart of Polkadot. We know that the price experienced a solid price increase in the first half of last year. Then the price declined, and after that another solid price increase took place, and actually we have something similar to a double top here if we switch to the linear chart. But in the fall of last year, when the Central Bank of the United States or the Federal Reserve Bank mentioned about starting to withdraw the liquidity that they had been injecting, and also when they started talking about increasing the interest rate, the financial markets experienced this, let's say, price decline at the very beginning, and since then actually the price has been declining because we're in this time the Federal Reserve Bank of the United States has been tightening the monetary policy stance. So we have these bearish candlesticks here. We're very familiar with them in the monthly chart. A small stabilization during the first couple of months of the year, but after that in April we had this solid bearish engulfing and the price resumed the price decline. In the summer we had a small price stabilization again, but if we inspect the last couple or last several candlesticks, it's obvious that here we have something similar to a bearish engulfing. Of course, not a perfect one. This is the candlestick for July. This is the candlestick for August. We see that this bearish body is almost the same as the previous one. Then in September we had this small bearish candlestick. I would like to outline that it has a maximum below the previous ones and a minimum below the previous ones. So it confirmed the renewal of the bearish pressure after this small, let's say, break. And now we have another bearish candlestick. Of course it may change till the end of the month. We have 10 more days, but at the moment it has a local high below the previous one and a minimum also below the previous one. So this is a confirmation of the renewal of the bearish pressure. Once again, this candlestick may change, but at the moment it is a small bearish signal. That's why the bulls have to be really very cautious. This is the weekly chart. This is the double top. We're very familiar with the weekly chart of Polkadot. This is the renewal of the price decline. I mean, the renewal started in April. Here we had a bearish engulfing, a solid bearish engulfing, a sequence of mainly bearish candlesticks. Then the price stabilization started in the middle of June. It is very similar to the price chart of the price charts of the other major cryptocurrencies. Since the beginning of the summer, let's say, there has been some kind of consolidation, but here I would like to highlight that after this small price rebound, a bearish engulfing took place in the second half of August. Then the price started declining, another price rebound, another bearish engulfing here that took place in the middle of September. And now we have to be really very cautious because yes, we see this small consolidation after this bearish engulfing, but at the moment the current candlestick has a local high below the previous ones, and this maximum minimum is below the previous ones. That's why we have to be really very cautious. Of course, today is Friday. This candlestick may change. We have 3 more days till the end of the week, but I don't see anything bullish at the moment because we have a bearish engulfing here. We have a bearish engulfing here. The only positivity, potential positivity, is that the price has been consolidating since the summer, and let's hope that it will continue moving sideways. This is the daily chart alongside the 2 key moving averages. So the first one is the 30-day moving average, or for the period of 1 month. Then we have the 90-day moving average, or the moving average for the period of 3 months, or this is the 1 quarter moving average. However, I would like to highlight that at the moment it's obvious that the daily candlesticks are below these two moving averages, so this confirms the bearish pressure that is taking place at the moment. And moreover, we're really very familiar that the 1 year moving average or the green moving average is significantly above the current price level. That's why even if we see some small price rebound, it won't be enough to change this major trend so fast. At the moment, it's clear that the bears are dominating the market because we're below the 1 year moving average and below the 2 moving averages as well. So I just want to underline that I don't see anything bullish, but of course, the price may receive in the near future some kind of support, because here we had some kind of consolidation or sideways movement, and it was in the second half of 2020, and the price is approaching, let's say, this range. It's already in the upper bound of this range. That's why between the price levels of 3 and 5.5 or $6, the price may start receiving some kind of support. This is the only small potential positive signal, because according to the technical analysis, we see that at the moment in the major time frames we still have these bearish small signals. This is the 4-hour chart. I don't see anything bullish here at the moment because we have a sequence of descending local highs. Of course, the only positive thing is that at the moment it seems that the price is moving sideways, the volatility is declining, but we have to be really very cautious because it's obvious that this is the lowest level of the price since it's been the lowest level for the price since the beginning of the summer. These are the local lows, let's say, and at the moment the price is testing these local lows. Let's see what happens if the price will receive support within this range. If we see some kind of rebound, definitely in the weekly chart or in the monthly chart, we will see some improvement of the candlesticks. At the moment it is absent. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your point of view about the price chart of Polkadot as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.